Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some Jamaican style fried snapper. I've already cleaned them with vinegar and water and I'm going to get ready to score them. So I've made 2 deep lines on each side of the fish, you could see. And that's just grooves to get the seasoning in there. So now we're gonna season the fish. So these are the seasonings that I'm gonna be using. Onion powder, garlic powder. This is some Jamaican fish seasoning that I brought back from home. Some Slap Your Mama, all-purpose, and black pepper. Just giving you the disclaimer, I don't know exact amounts of seasoning to put on stuff, so just use your best discretion. All I can do is tell you what goes in there. I can't tell you like exactly how much seasoning I'm putting in stuff. Good luck. So I've already added some black pepper. I'm adding my onion powder and garlic powder, and I am seasoning generously. I'm adding a little bit of Slap Your Mama, not necessarily Jamaican, but you know the vibes. And all-purpose Maggi. And then because my fish seasoning is a little ratchet, Jesus, I'm just gonna use about a spoon of it. And then you just kind of rub all of this in. And then we get ready to fry them. So I am adding a couple of pieces of Scotch bonnet pepper to my pot and some thyme. If you have garlic, you could also add garlic, but I don't have any whole garlic, just minced, so I'm not gonna put any in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add our fish. I guess I probably could have trimmed those tails a little bit. Oh, they smell great. So they've been frying for maybe about, what do you think, 5 minutes? I'm kind of happy that tail kind of flipped itself up. Oh, this one looks nice and brown. It smells great, and it's looking pretty good so far. We've been frying them on each side for about 5 minutes. I feel like it's pretty much done. And we're gonna pull them off and put our other 2 in here. Tiki. This dog refused to let me be great. They're like perfect. I'm gonna pull you down a little bit. Nice. Okay, so we've gone ahead and flipped them. And I feel like about 5 minutes per side is pretty much good, like a good gauge. I feel like it's pretty much cooked inside and it's on medium heat. All right, and we are done. Look at how delicious that looks. Can't wait to dig in. And there you have it, our beautiful fried festivals, bammy, and delicious Jamaican style fried fish. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.